Hello, my name is Joe Genuino.
And my name's Brianne Genuino.
And welcome to Full Course Keto, where we figure out keto one course at a time. And on today's menu, we have...
LA street dogs. Joe style?
I guess we're gonna call it sausage boats. Keto sausage boats.
Okay, but we're doing it LA street dog style because
we're gonna wrap
it in bacon.
it in bacon. But we don't have hot dogs. So we have smoked sausages. So we're just gonna do the smoked sausages.
So that's just 10 grams of butter. This is 35 grams of mushroom, 30 grams of bell pepper, 18 grams of onion.
It beeps the moment I take it off.
No, it doesn't. Pick it up.
Okay.
Oh, you're too slow.
I gotta cut a slot in it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. A slot.
Cut a slot into the thing, and then you
And then put the bacon in the slot.
and then wrap
Ah.
it. Ah.
Now just put it in there.
Just put it in there. I suppose the same process would apply if we were using an actual hot dog.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing there, love?
Experiment is a special technique that I learned.
In your brain? So what are you doing?
Well, you always wrap the bacon around the hot dog.
Right.
Why can't you wrap the hot dog around the bacon? Take the bacon, and then you take the dog, and then you wrap the dog around the bacon. Oh, opposite direction. Here we go. Wrapping the dog.
You're still wrapping the bacon around the
No,
dog.
I'm wrapping the bacon. I'm wrapping the dog around the bacon. See?
Okay.
See, love? This is never before seen technique. Okay?
Because he just made it up 5 minutes ago.
I'm surprised it worked.
I know, I am too.
Can you pat me on the back?
My only concern is that the bacon won't really cook that well because it's encased into the...
To the sausage?
Yeah.
I guess we'll wait and find out, yeah. Oh.
Wow.
How many grams of jalapenos are these?
This is, I believe, it's 9 grams. 9 grams of chopped jalapeno.
So gourmet.
This is not beautiful. It looks like a trash dog.
So we tried.
It looks like garbage.
We even put this cool little wax paper just to pretend that it's cooler than it actually is. I mean, it looks like garbage, but it probably tastes decent.
Let's try it.
So I will cut it in half,
Yeah.
and then we can try this.
It's definitely not one of those dishes
But you can...
that you can Instagram.
You go first.
Okay.
Is it good?
It is good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is good.
Mm-hmm. This is like the kind of hot dogs that hipsters would...
Line up.
Yeah.
That's what that means.
Mm.
I mean, what did we expect? It was like all of our favorite ingredients.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to our mukbang. Well, that's it.
Mm-mm.
No?
Mm-mm.
Oh, your twirly dog.
I suppose what's the point? It's a lot easier to just wrap the thing. But this kind of looks cooler, doesn't it?
That's novel.
Hmm?
That's novel.
Yeah.
That's another thing hipsters would line up to eat.
It probably tastes exactly the same as that one.
Mm-hmm. But it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
Because it's twirly.
Before we wrap this up,
Like,
I'm gonna try one more thing. We have a leftover hot dog. I have some more sausages, and I still have lots of bacon. What I'm gonna try to do is the same thing, except I'm going to spiralize the sausage and the hot dog together, and then I'm gonna wrap them both with bacon.
we love bonus round.
Bonus round. So this is my secret technique that I've developed over the years. You gotta make sure that the blade is perpendicular in the body of the hot dog. Otherwise it's gonna not turn out right. But you just gotta keep going all the way around. Okay, I think for me to actually get this around, it has to be... Is it the same direction or the opposite direction? I think it's the same direction. Oh well, we'll see. There we go. So I'm gonna put this together. Darn it. I think it might be the wrong direction.
You have to do it in the opposite direction?
Probably, huh? Let me try with another sausage.
Well, thanks for watching Full Course Keto, where we figure out keto one course at a time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to know when we post a video. We'll see you next time.
Bye.